Hello, hi, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to create a WordPress plugin that can help us to convert any PDF file into a flipbook version of that. So our user can easily read that. Okay. So here we have the fresh WordPress installation. There is nothing in it. It's a fresh blank WordPress install in my system. Okay. So let's jump back to the Claude and try to write it out. Okay. So let's start with help me create a WordPress plugin where I can upload any PDF and it convert it into a flip book. Okay. Make sure the design is interactive and what else we can do. And we need also security and make sure it's also secure. And let's see if you can then add some more features to it. Okay, let's see what we can get with that. Okay, let me just pause the video and get back to you when it's done. Hi, welcome back. So here is the plugin. Let's download it and try to install it in our project, and let's see if it's worked perfectly fine or not. So let's open the download plugin, copy this, go to WP content, plugins, and simply paste it. Okay, so here we have the working project file. Let's go back to our WordPress admin panel, hit back to the plugins, and try to activate that plugin. And let's see if everything is working fine or not. Let's activate this, and I hope everything works perfectly fine now. Here it is, the option. Let's click on the Flipbox. There is no currently in it. Let's add a Flipbook and name it as a WordPress. Okay. And where do I upload that? There it is. Let me just browse it from the downloads. Here it is. It's done, and we can also do some sort of things here as well. So okay, let's leave it as that now. Let's hit publish and open our sample page, edit that page, and try to call back this in that page. Okay, so let's search here. Okay, let's try with shortcodes. We will add a block version as well in the next version, and let me just copy this, paste the shortcode, save it, and now let's view the page. It looks perfectly fine. Here we have the perfect preview. Let me just scroll it. Okay, it does have a sound effect as well. Pretty good. Let's see if we can do it full screen. Yeah, we can do that as well. And what else we can do? I'm not quite sure about that. Okay, so now everything looks perfectly fine. Okay, let's escape it. Okay, so now add some little bit of changes in that. So first I need okay. So here are some couple of changes I want. So first one is I want to add an block, yeah, block version in the plugin as well, where I can add a block in the page. Okay. Second thing I need is it looks nice. There is no issue with that. Okay. Make sure it's a mobile some response as well. Okay. I think these are two things that I need to fix it here right now, and everything else looks perfectly fine. There is no issue with that. So let's just hit enter and let's just wait. Okay, welcome back. So here we have the updated plugin. Let's download this as well. Let's go to the downloads and open this, copy all the files, delete the current files, and simply paste it. Simple, sober. And let's get back to the admin panel. Let's refresh one more time. And this looks perfectly fine. I don't think so. Okay, let's try the block version as well. So here we need to remove the shortcode. Let's remove it from there and try to add a new block level. Let's hit the flipbook. Here we have that. Let's choose a flipbook. Here we have that as well. Let's save it. And hopefully nothing will ever change because now we are using as a block version, not a shortcode version. Okay. So let's try this. Let's use a paper color. Let's try the variations as well. So we can make sure that everything works perfectly fine. Okay. Light version looks like not that good. But yeah, this is the option. Okay, let's change the slate, update the changes, and try to refresh it. Okay, it looks like the same. Not sure why it does that. We can change the height. We can also add the password. Let's hit for 1 2 3 4 5 6 for now. Okay, let's update that and refresh it. And it's opening because we have already logged in. So let's try here. WordPress, open the sample page. Okay, here we have that. Looks pretty good. Now remove the password. Stop working after that. It's actually good. Only embed on these domains. You can work that as well. Free preview. We can also add an option to download that and print that as well. Watermark. Let's use that as a WordPress for now. Let's update and try to refresh it. Here we have the word watermark, and now we have a download option and as well as print option. Okay. So here we have that. Everything is work perfectly fine. There is no issue with that. If you have any question, any doubt, we can always sort this out. So let's wrap this video. If you have any question, any suggestion, then just comment it out. Yeah, I will try to fix that as well. Okay. And the plugin code is on my GitHub account. You can click the link. You can click the download link on the description below, and you can download this as a ready-made plugin as well. Or if you want to create that as well as yourself, you can always follow the steps along. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day.